Silicoin is a blockchain-powered marketplace for artificial intelligence and machine learning models. Silicoin has two different target audiences: developers and companies who want to use AI models without hiring an AI department. Companies suffer from buying models without a pilot project based on their own data, or paying a lot of money for cloud architecture for using freely available models with easy integration opportunities. Junior developers have nearly zero chance to monetize their models, since major developer companies rule the global market. Already existing marketplaces provide models within their own cloud structure. Potential buyers can be easily deceived, since some of the pages are scams without working models. We are two freelance deep learning developers with a lot of experiences from different fields of AI. That's why we understand the problem really well. We figured out a solution that uses blockchain to store model descriptors for credibility. At the moment, we store the models on the server side, but we want to migrate the storing mechanism to blockchain as well. Silicoin provides an easy and understandable interface for uploading or using AI models. Models can be rented, bidded, or bought immediately based on the developer's monetization plan. Silicoin is a brand new idea made for this Chainlink Spring 2023 hackathon. One of the requirements was to use Chainlink architecture. We use Chainlink API to connect our storage server. We also use Chainlink VRF to generate random numbers for two different purposes. First of all, we give a random identification number to any models, and we provide a random seed for the models as well. This last one can be important in an evaluation process to measure the accuracy of models. If developers implement random seeding in their workflow, the user can test the model with the randomly generated seed to provide transparency, repeatability, and verifiability for models. Let's see how it works. We uploaded some basic models to show potential use cases. A TensorFlow.js model can be run in a web browser, on a desktop computer, or a mobile phone. In the future, we want to provide other frameworks, but having showcases was the priority during the hackathon. Developers can upload models and set up a monetization plan. A potential buyer can search or filter models. After the payment, they can use the model. During the hackathon, we made and uploaded an AI model for converting temperature value on Celsius scale to Fahrenheit. We know it can be calculated with a formula, but this is made for demonstration purposes only. This model can be run directly in the browser. A second demonstration is an AI-based game that categorizes water samples to find an island that has similar water quality values. This game begins with random values that can be refined by the player. The random values come from Chainlink VRF. Our concept was to demonstrate how powerful the Chainlink infrastructure can be in the real deep learning world. Our business model is to make a 10% cut from the payment to cover our costs. The remaining 90% goes to the developer of the model. For buyers, using Silicoin is cheaper than using an existing cloud service to test AI models. Developers can easily monetize their models in 3 different ways. We provide a model rating system where people can rate any model, or they can report legal issues as well. Since Silicoin is a brand new idea made from scratch, during the hackathon we made a lot of progress. We wrote a smart contract and deployed it on testnet. We made a website interface and trained models to have working demo projects. In the future, we want to further develop our solution to make Silicoin the most convenient in deep learning developers' life. Moving to mainnet is one of our top priorities. To support more frameworks, we plan to offer direct Python integration and storing models in blockchains like IPFS-based ones. We also plan to make direct cloud integration. We plan to search for VC investments since we believe Silicoin is a real game changer in the deep learning market. Please support us. Thank you.